Hey, good morning guys, this is Kush and I'm doing another video of Tizum. I don't know what's the name, I call it Tizum. It's Tizum lightning cable for Apple devices. It's 2.4 amperes and it's nylon fiber. So let me just quickly go through all this. Okay, great. And the costing is 499, and let me just quickly open it up and show it to you what we get inside. And it is not MFI certificate, so yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so that's the gel. Then you get it into nicely packed. I'm gonna just open it up quickly. Yep, so there you go. It's a very neat looking cable. It's very neat, very decent, not that flashy red. Great, so I guess I'm gonna keep this one. This is a really good cable and it feels very nice. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want a further review, just message me. Thank you so much.